Sony just dropped a monster, the FE 400mm to 800mm G OSS. But here's the real surprise. It's not a constant f5.6. Let's break it down. Everyone thought it would be a dream wildlife lens with the f5.6 across the zoom range, but it's actually 6.3 to f8. Sounds scary. Trust me, it's not as bad as you think. At 400mm, start at 6.3, pretty standard for long zoom today. By the time you hit 800mm, you're at f8. That means slightly less light. But with today's crazy ISO performance and Sony fast autofocus system, it still beats for wildlife, sports, and even compressed landscape. Here's why f8 isn't a big problem. Number 1. Sony sensor handle high ISO like a champ. Number 2. Autofocus still locks on fast even at f8. Most outdoor shooting happens with a good light anyway. Plus, the weight and the size are much more manageable compared to the giant primes. If you are a wildlife photographer, sports shooter, or even someone who loves capturing planes, races, and surfers, this lens is a pure gold. And compared to the 400mm prime plus 2x teleconverter combo, this is a lighter, more affordable, and way more versatile. So yes, it's 6.3 to f8, but the image quality, the flexibility, and the insane reach, totally worth it. Would you buy the Sony 400 to 800mm G OSS? Let me know in the comment. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.